Hello, welcome to Microsoft Excel Intermediate class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this video, my friends, we're going to learn how to enter the date and time in Excel using some keyboard shortcuts. And I place that shortcuts right here for you as a note. Okay, for example, very easily, and instead of typing the date manually, one of the things that I like to do, like to use the keyboard shortcut Control semicolon. Boom, right there. You see that how easy it is? Control semicolon uh, will enter the static date, meaning that is not going to change. It's going to stay the way it is. Now also I can insert the current time by doing Control Shift semicolon. There you go. Boom. That enters the time very quick. And I put that shortcuts right here for you for your reference. Now, again, for these two, this date and time, these keyboard shortcuts will enter the static date and time, meaning that static means that it's not going to change, it's not going to move. Now, however, if for some reason you like for your date and time to automatically update every time you open that report, then we have to use some Excel functions, and I put those functions right here for you. Okay, so I'm going to do right here for that date function, I'm going to do equals today. The today function does not require any arguments, so it just open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to give you guys a little trick. This is for the geeks. This is for the geeks. If you have an Excel function and you only have one Excel function with one set of parentheses, okay, you don't even have to type the last parentheses. Excel will do it for you automatically when you press enter. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and boom, there you go. That's the dynamic. That's the dynamic date. So at the time when I'm recording this video is April the 21st of 2020. If I was to close this report, save and close this report and open it tomorrow, it'll say the 22nd, and the next day it'll say the 23rd, and so on and so on and so on. Now, for the dynamic time, we have to use a function that is called now. So I'm going to do this equals now. Oh, I'm sorry, I should put equals. Now, there you go. The now function also does not require any arguments, and it's just one set of parentheses. So I'm just going to go ahead and press enter, and boom, there's my date and time right now. And this will automatically update every time I open this report. Now also, if I wanted to just to show the time, or if I wanted, notice that the time is always going to be show on military time, but if I wanted to change this, or if I wanted to show only the date or the time, then I will have to just click in here and go right here to my custom formatting in Excel. Okay, and do some custom formatting and go into this section right here to change it, but this will be later for another lesson. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this for right now the way it is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.